Did you guys know that 77% of businesses running ads right now are losing money? Not breaking even, they're actually losing money. They're boosting posts with no strategy, targeting everyone and wondering why nobody's buying. Now the problem isn't the ads themselves, it's that they have no strategy behind them, no audience research, no funnel, no testing plan. They're literally just throwing money at Meta and hoping something sticks. So I solved it with AI for free. I built a tool with Claude that does what a $10,000 a month ad agency does, again, completely for free. It researches your audience, writes your ad copy for every platform like Instagram, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and others, builds your entire campaign funnel, allocates your budget, and even writes your video ad scripts. 15 skills, 5 AI agents, all working simultaneously. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. I'll run a quick demo on a real company so you can see the results. Then I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install this so you can run it on your own business, or if you're offering this as a service for your clients too. And if you're new here, my name is Zubair. I've had my own AI agency for the past 2 years, and now I run a community teaching other people how to start theirs. So with that said, let's jump right in. So I'm going to start by showing you a quick demo and run this on a popular website so you can see how incredible this tool is. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to install it. You don't have to have any technical background or coding background at all. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. All right. So just bear with me for now. Like I said, I'll show you how to get here. Right now I'm in my Claude Code inside my Visual Studio Code. What I'm going to do is just run /ads. And I'm going to run ad strategy on a popular website called Dollar Shave Club. Now, if you're in the US, I'm pretty sure you've heard what dollarshaveclub.com is. They're a very popular company here. So I'm going to press enter. So what's going to happen right now is Claude Code is going to run these 3 different phases. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. The first phase is going to be discovery and business intelligence for Dollar Shave Club. The second one is going to be parallel agents analysis. This is where 5 agents are going to simultaneously analyze everything and generate an incredible report. So let me go ahead. And by the way, all of this is being done based on the skills that are inside this tool that I'm again going to show you what it's going to do. But essentially it's going to do everything that an ad agency will charge $5,000 to $10,000 for you. So what I'm going to do is quickly fast forward this so that way I can show you the results, and then when we go through and do a step-by-step walkthrough, then we can I can explain everything. All right, perfect. So I finished. As you can see right here, everything is done. Phase 1, phase 2, all of it is done. And then it generated this incredible PDF report right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right. So as you can see right here, AI ad strategy report, Dollar Shave Club, generated April 7, 2026. So just to quickly give you an overview of what this generates. So this PDF is basically an entire report and a strategy for the ads for this particular business. I ran it obviously for Dollar Shave Club. You could run it on your business or your client business. So let me quickly go through what this did. So first of all, it gives you this AI readiness score, right? 79 out of 100. It gives you like a little summary. It gives you score dashboard of audience clarity, creative quality, funnel architecture, competitive position, budget efficiency, right? So now it generated, look at this, look how incredible this is. It generated audience personas for different demographics, for different platforms and targeting parameters, right? So as you can see right here, the persona, the professional groomer, right? This is going to, the demographic is going to be male, suburban, between 28 to 40. The income would be 75 to 150K, right? The platforms that you want to run this ad for is YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit. Targeting parameters, multi-producer buyer interest, men's grooming, GQ, fitness, behavior, blah, blah, blah. As you can see, it gives these different personas, the demographics, the platforms, and exactly what targeting parameters you should have. As you can see in the bottom here, it says targeting recommendation. Allocate 30 to 35% of acquisition budget to professional groomers persona, right? Because it's going to have the highest return on your investment. As you can see right here, the professional groomer is male between 28 to 40. So this basically generates and goes through the entire ad strategy of that particular website, generates the campaign structure, right? It gives you a campaign structure of different funnel stage, awareness, consideration, conversion, retargeting, right? It gives you the platform, the ad types, the different KPIs, and how much of the budget you need to allocate for each different funnel stage, right? And another incredible thing, it generates an ad copy samples, right? It actually gives you these ad copy samples that you can literally copy and paste. For Meta, it's giving you a headline, it gives you the primary text, and it gives you the CTA. So it says, Stop overpaying, start shaving smarter, right? You're overpaying for razors and you know it. $6 per blade at the store is robbery. Try Dollar Shave Club premium blades from $4 a month delivered. I mean, that's how incredible this tool is. And again, obviously I'm using this for Dollar Shave Club, but you can imagine this for any business, including small, large, or enterprise. Same thing for different platform. It gives you the headline, the primary text for all of your ads. And then at the bottom, and by the way, this is just one of the skills. I'm going to show you exactly how many other skills and how incredible the other skills are there that you can do with this tool. So the budget and return on investment projections, right? It actually gives you exactly how much of your ads budget you should allocate for which platform. Meta, it says, allocate 50% of your budget for this, and it's giving you a monthly budget of 10,000 and it's dividing it equally in these 4 platforms with different allocation percentages there. Projected monthly metrics, right? It gives you metric. How much budget do you have? 10,000 a month. That's the growth tier, right? It gives you how much impressions you're going to get, the clicks, the click-through rates, the conversions. It gives you exactly cost per acquisition per each customer. It gives you the return on the ad spend. This is called ROAS. This is a very popular term and it comes to the marketing industry. And it gives you also the estimated revenue. I mean, this PDF report in itself is worth it. Thousands of dollars, right? This is exactly what ad strategist agencies charge clients. Now, on top of that, like I said, this is just one of the skills that we ran. Now, of course, if I go back to this tool right here, right? So this is all of the tool, and all of these, skills are inside this skills folder. As you can see right here, it has, we just ran that, ad strategy skill, but you can see it's this right here. If I click inside the skill.md file, now for those of you who don't know what skill.md file, skill.md is a markdown file. Skills are basically a way to make Claude Code a kind of a specialist in a particular domain, right? So all of that different sequences that it followed, the Claude Code followed when we enter that command, it's based on this skill.md file, right? As you can see right here, it's giving you its purpose. It's giving you exactly what to do, what not to do, how to execute. As you can see right here, this is exactly what we saw when we ran on our Visual Studio Code here, right? So if I take a look at this, this is exactly what matches right here. And all of this instruction is giving to Claude Code, and that's why it's able to go ahead and do exactly what it did and generate that incredible report for us. Now, it's not only that, there's multiple other skills here. So if I scroll down here to the bottom, so there's different skills for different categories. You have strategy and analysis. You have the creative copy, right? There's an entire ads hook skill where it will generate 20 scroll topping hooks, pattern interrupts, curiosity gap, bold claim for social ads, right? It generates all sorts of hooks for different platforms. It generates ad creatives, ads funnel, ads budget, ad testing, landing page. This landing page audit, takes a look at your entire landing page, the conversion blockers, the CTA analysis, the trust signals, everything you could possibly need for an ad strategy. This tool has it. All right. So now that you know what it can do, now let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to install this step by step and show you how to run this on any website, whether it's your business or your clients. All right. So first things first, you need to, I'm going to put the link in the description, but you can go to visualstudiocode.com. So for those of you who are not familiar, this is basically an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environments. Now, if you don't know the code, that's fine. Don't worry about it. It just basically means it's an environment where all your files and everything's kind of in a nice little cohesive environment. So go ahead and download this. Once you download this, you're going to come back here. It's going to look something like this, where your files are going to be on this hand side. And then also, all of the Claude Code interaction is going to be on the right hand side. So let me get rid of this so I can get it all cleaned up. So if you don't have Claude Code, what you need to do is you need to head over to, when you come and open your Visual Studio Code, you need to head over to the extension tabs right here, and you can search for Claude Code, and it's going to look something like this. So make sure you install this. Obviously, it's by anthropic.com. So once you install that, this little sign is going to appear. Oh, let me bring this down here a little bit. So once you download your extension, on the top right hand corner, you'll have the Claude Code logo here. If you click on it, this is going to open up a brand new Claude Code instance. So let me get rid of this here. So this is what I was starting with, right? So basically now you're inside your Claude Code, inside your Visual Studio Code. Now, in order to add these skills, what you need to do, and again, I'm going to put the link in the description. You can have access to this completely for free. You're going to head over to the classroom section. This community is completely for free here. So head over to the classroom section in the YouTube resources. You're going to click on Claude Code. You're going to click on this AI ad strategy team with Claude Code. And at the bottom, I have given you these resources. So this is basically an entire zip file, right? So you're going to download the zip file. It's going to basically have all of the skills that I just showed you that are right here. All of this is going to be inside that zip file. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add that inside the folder in your Visual Studio Code, and then open a new Claude Code version, and you'll have access to this. Now, for those of you who are also part of my paid community, you're going to head over to the classroom section. For you guys, I've made it a lot simpler since you have access to the private repos here. All you have to do is come right here, copy this. I'm going to copy this, head back to your Visual Studio Code, open this little terminal on top right here, and just paste that command, and it's gonna download all of these skills. You can see right here, everything will be downloaded for you. Okay. And then if you're obviously in the free community, so let me get rid of this. You can just copy and paste the zip file there. So once you do that, and if you press the space command and look for ads, now all of these different commands or these skills are now available for you, right? It's that simple. So now basically you can run all of these different skills for any website, whether it's yours or your clients. So now instead of ad strategy, this time I'm going to actually try this skill called hooks right here. Add hooks, right? That generates 20 scroll stopping hooks, pattern interrupts, curiosity gaps, bold claim for social ads. So let's go ahead and run that so that way you can see how this works there. And by the way, of course, if you're part of the paid community, if you're not, I would love to have you join there. If you're new to Claude Code, I have an entire course there. Not only that, we show you how to build and sell projects to businesses, build projects that you actually solve business problems, things like GEO, AI reputation builder, and a bunch of other stuff in there that you can check out, including the different builds like AI sales teams, marketing teams, how to sell these to businesses, everything and all the instructions of the paid community. Link is going to be description. Hopefully I'll see you inside. But anyways, so again, this time we're going to run this ads hooks on this Dollar Shave Club. So same thing. I'm just going to do, there you go. So now it's going to run this command, and it's going to be following all of the instructions that's inside this ads hooks skill.md file, right? So there you go. Now it's going to go through. So let me fast forward this really quickly. All right, perfect. So you can see right here, add hooks went through. It did all of its thing, and it generated that hooks generated Dollar Shave Club, right? Total hooks 25 across 5 psychological angles, and it generated this file. So let me open that file right here. There you go. So this is inside the markdown file, but you can always convert this into PDF. But take a look at this, right? So hook number 1, the locked case rate, right? Hook text. You shouldn't need to flag down a store employee and wait 10 minutes just to buy a $25 razor cartridge, right? Raising your hand like a student to unlock a razor case at CVS is not the adult experience you signed up for, right? So that gives you kind of the hook text, and it also gives you the different variations. Of course, you can A/B test this, and then it gives you the reason why this works. This targets a universal, visceral frustration that every razor buyer has experienced, especially a flag down a store employee, and 10 minutes creates instant recognition, right? So as you can see right here, it's actually talking to the pain point of that particular customer, and it's giving you the reasons why it's using that, right? So same thing now for different platforms. For Meta, it says pair this with a split screen left side, frustrated guy at locked case, right side DSC, which is Dollar Shave Club box on doorstep, use as first 3 seconds of video and a static image headline, right? Gives you exactly how to use this with different platforms. So you have your Meta, TikTok, Google, YouTube pre-roll, and email subject line. Same thing, hook number 2, the dull blade morning. The moment when you drag a 3-week-old blade across your face and just accept the burn, right? So same thing, gives you the different variation. It gives you the hooks for different platforms. Hook number 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. So look, this is how powerful this tool is. Again, this is for Dollar Shave Club. It's a big company, obviously, but if you are working in this industry and you have a client, this is a perfect way, because just that PDF alone is value enough for you to be able to utilize this tool and go in front of your client and say, this is what I can do, right? For $5,000 a month, I'll handle all of your ad strategy And all you have to do is just basically use this tool, and it will give you exactly instructions step by step on what to do. So go ahead and check it out. And again, there's a bunch of other commands there that I'm not able to go through because otherwise it's going to take too long. But there's one called ads quick, right? This just gives you a quick ad readiness snapshot. You just do ads-quick and the name of the company or the website of the company, and it gives you all of the quick snapshots. And it's also use cases, just quickly. The ad strategy that we just ran, now for agency owners, this is gold, right? Because for any prospect to deliver a professional ad strategy audit, they would usually charge like $5,000 to $2,000 for this. So if you're an agency owner, this is something that you can charge $500 to $2,000 for e-commerce brand, right? You can generate an ads funnel. For SaaS companies, this is extremely useful because you can build audience personas for a B2B targeting on LinkedIn and Google search, right? You can use that ads budget to allocate spend across platforms and project CAC, LTV, and ROAS, right? Local businesses, right? You can get started with the right platform. You can do ads quick to identify which Google ads and Meta is better for your service, right? So ads budget is how you can allocate if you have a small budget, what a lot of small businesses have. Freelancers. So all sorts of use cases that are available here. Again, link is going to be description for you to download and upload the skills file on your Claude Code. And like I said, if you're part of the community, you can just follow the steps that are there. And if you're interested in learning more about how to use tools like Claude Code to solve real business problems, check out the paid community. Link is going to be in the description. Hopefully you found this helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe because I've got more content coming up that you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.